Hey guys, are you want to buy Best 3/8 inch Impact Wrench? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 Best 3/8 inch Impact Wrench that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at number 5, Craftsman 20V MILWAUKEE'S Impact Wrench. If you are on a budget and want something that is not only affordable but also offers decent performance numbers, then Craftsman and its power tools can be a great option for most users out there. Craftsman's CMC F910B 3/8 inch Impact Wrench is one of the most affordable options given in this list, and unlike what you would expect from its given price tag, it still offers a decent torque rating of up to 165 foot-pound, which should be pretty good for starters. And if that is not enough, you will be glad to know that it also offers a fairly high RPM rating of up to 2800 RPM. Unfortunately, despite using a handy electric cordless design, this 3/8 inch Impact Wrench does not come with an included battery, and you will have to get one on your own. That being said, once you have gotten a battery for it, it will weigh just 2 pounds, which makes it highly portable. Another great thing about this 3/8 inch Impact Wrench from Craftsman is that you also get a 1-year long warranty with it for your peace of mind. Now number 4, ACDelco AR1209K14 G12 Series Cordless. ACDelco offers all kinds of power tools and not just impact wrenches, because of which it even offers multi-packs of power tools that can be ideal options for those who need multiple tools for their garage. The ACDelco AR1209K14 G12 3/8 inch Impact Wrench is the only option given here in this list, which comes as a pack of 2. With this pack, you not only get an impact wrench, but it also offers a ratchet wrench. Taking a closer look at the impact wrench itself, it is certainly not a powerful one because of its limited torque rating of up to 90 foot-pound. Thankfully, you do get a pretty high RPM rating of up to 3100 RPM with it. Even though this is a pack of 2 power tools, both of them still happen to be electric cordless ones, which makes them highly practical for most. Another great thing about this impact wrench is that it just weighs 2 pounds. While the build quality of this pair of impact and ratchet wrench might not be the best, you do get a 1-year long warranty, which is always great to have. Our third product is MILWAUKEE'S Mid-Torque Impact Wrench. This Milwaukee 2960 23/8 inch Impact Wrench is present in the 3rd position in this list because it is hands down the best option for heavy-duty usage given here in this list. To be more exact, this Milwaukee 3/8 inch Impact Wrench has a torque rating of up to 600 foot-pound, which is the highest present in this article. And while it may not be the highest, its RPM rating of 2750 RPM is also fairly respectable considering the given torque rating. One of the best things about this 3/8 inch Impact Wrench is that it is able to offer such a high torque rating despite being an electric cordless one. However, if you wish to use this for portable usage, you will have to consider its weight of 3.4 pounds, which is a bit on the higher side. That being said, this 3/8 inch Impact Wrench is still one of the best for heavy-duty usage, especially if you consider its 5-year-long warranty, which is much longer than others. Now our second product is Ingersoll Ram 3/8 Drive Air Impact Wrench. Unlike most other impact wrench offerings given here in this list, Ingersoll Rand and most of its power tool offerings happen to be pneumatic-powered ones, which is also true for its impact wrench given here. Ingersoll Rand's 2115 TimeMax 3/8 inch Impact Wrench is present in the 2nd position in this list, as it happens to be one of the most powerful options of its class. To be more specific, this happens to be the most powerful pneumatic 3/8 inch Impact Wrench given in this listicle. This is made possible thanks to its given torque rating of up to 300 foot-pounds, which is pretty great. More importantly, since this is a pneumatic 3/8 inch Impact Wrench, it is able to offer a superb RPM rating of up to 15,000 RPM, which is certainly much higher than others. Since there is no battery inside this impact wrench, it also weighs just 2.48 pounds, which should be fairly easy to manage. Ingersoll Rand also offers a 2-year warranty with this impact wrench to ensure that it lasts for a decent period of time. And now our last choice is DEWALT 20VMAX XR Cordless Impact Wrench. DEWALT is one of the go-to options out there when you are talking about electric power tools, which also includes its fairly powerful lineup of impact wrenches that we have given here. The DEWALT DC Fate 190B 3/8 inch impact wrench is present in the first position in this list, since this is one of the more affordable options available out there, especially if you want something powerful. Speaking of power, this DEWALT 3/8 inch impact wrench is rated for a torque rating of 150 foot-pound. More importantly, you get a pretty high RPM rating of up to 2,800 RPM with it. Coming to the power source requirements of this 3/8 inch impact wrench, it happens to be an electric cordless impact wrench. And despite having an ingot battery, this 3/8 inch impact wrench only weighs 2 pounds. Another great thing about this DEWALT 3/8 inch impact wrench is that it even comes with a 3-year-long warranty without charging a premium for the same. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.